Hello everyone. So in this session, we are going to continue the playlist of lottery game using React.js. So in this part, we will not code or discuss what we will do. So first, I will run this npm run dev. Error, it is showing some type of error. This is not being related to not being able to find a file or complete log of this one can be found in this. Wait a minute. I will resolve this and continue with the video. 3D lottery game npm run dev. So what happened was that I had gone inside lottery, but not inside the lottery game because lottery is the main folder. Inside which lottery game folder is present as subfolder. So first I have written as CD lottery game. Sorry, first I have written as CD lottery. Then I have used the command, so it was showing error. After that have written CD lottery game and use the command npm run dev through which it is available in live server. It is giving C. Mm, follow this. So this was our game. So after every byte it reloads and generates a new random number which is equal to 15. So what if we will need note. So what if it gives n number of data? Then what will do? If we have only three digits, digits, that sum is equal to three digits sum is equal to our winner. But what if the case but what if the case is there are 777 number like this, or we have even not provided any structure to our code, like we have discussed about giving structure about to our code, that is hierarchical structure. So we will be creating a ticket component because uh, app.jsx can call and through which we can run. We will create a component lottery.jsx already created. Sorry, we are going to create ticket.jsx where we will define the winner will be decided when three number are three consecutive numbers are same, like 777, 888, and we'll also discussed if the winner is choose based on the sum. We will improve on that, and also we will be changing the components of lottery and generate more n number of digits. Currently, it's generating three number of digits based on our function helper.js, in which we have declared a random function. So this is how we are going to approach the project. So if you like the video, comment and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.